Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I hate to say this out loud, but I just turned 40, so taking care of my skin is a huge priority for me. I have fallen in love with this Nourished Body and Skin LED mask. This thing's amazing. I have already seen positive results from this. The biggest changes that I've noticed are the fine lines on my forehead. My skin is definitely firmer and they're not as visible. There's a few things about this mask that I think are far superior. For one, it is silicone. This is a total game changer. I've had the hard plastic LED masks before, and they're not very comfortable. This is incredibly comfortable. I don't mind wearing it at all. The other thing is this is chargeable. I can walk around the house with it on, hands-free, and get everyday tasks done. So for me to stay consistent with this is a piece of cake. And let's be honest, we all know when it comes to skincare, consistency with anything is key. You want a mask where you know you can be consistent, and this one you definitely can. The other thing that I love is it isn't just a mask. This comes with a neck piece. Obviously, as we age, it's not just about our face, it's about our neck as well, but this goes even further than your neck. This covers your whole décolletage. And you have 7 different LED lights, so you can customize it for your skincare needs. I have been mainly focused on the red light therapy for almost 30 days now, and I'm slowly integrating the yellow light therapy as well for my rosacea. So if you've been shopping around for an LED therapy mask, I would seriously consider this one from Nourished Body and Skin. I have absolutely fallen in love with it. And that's my point of view.